No. Back to the car. Back to the car. Follow us.
Go Magnus, go Rivaston. Go Magnus, go election. No Magnus, no Rivaston.
We are for our own brother. And this one is for God people. Nobody will stop us. This is what they drive. Nah, nobody will stop you. Magnus
everybody just maintain small silence so that you can hear me. First of all, I want to give thanks and glory to Almighty God. Is Magnus Ngei Abe. On the 29th of May next year, 2023, I will be sworn in as the governor of Rivers State. Hello? Did you hear me? I said on the 29th of May next year, I, Magnus Ngei Abe, will be sworn in as the governor of Rivers State. Hello? On the 29th of May. So if you don't want to see it, don't come to the stadium, don't put on your television. Because on the 29th of May, 2023, come rain, come shine, I will be sworn in as the governor of Rivers State. All this drama that you are seeing, that is how it is happening. It will not stop what will be from being. If they bring fire, we will bring water. Amen? If they bring fire, we will bring water. If they bring fear, we will bring courage. If they bring ignorance, we will bring knowledge. If they bring lies, we will bring truth. But what God has destined for Rivers State, no man, 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 no man can stop it. Today, and I told the people of Obiakpo that I will come and commission the SDP office in Obiakpo. I am from Ogoni. I went to Obiakpo in Ikwere land peacefully and commissioned the SDP office in Obiakpo local government area. Then people, human beings, we collect money from anybody and say that Senator Magnus Abe cannot come to Ogoni. Is it possible? I will go to everywhere I want to go to in Ogoni. Since 1967, Rivers State was created. No Ogoni man has held a... Are they saying that I cannot do the work? Then people will gather. This small office that Gifting Kai donated to the party, they came here in the morning, they shoot gun, they scatter the office. Is that how democracy is done? No. We have a message for the people. Allow us to deliver our message. If you have your own message, go and deliver your own. No be so? No. At the end of the day, let us allow the people of Rivers State to choose who they want. If they choose you, you take. If they choose Senator Abe Ingo, so when I hear say, then say I no go fit come tie, I no go fit enter this office, I no go fit talk for here. Say once I start to come, make them shoot gun, pursue everybody. I say me, I must come. You know why I come? You know why I come? Eh? When security tell me say, make I no come, say that they shoot gun. I tell them, say those people where they there, on our way they here, on be my brothers and my sisters. If on a fit they here, then they shoot gun. Me too, I go come here. Make them kill all of us together. I no go fit live on a here. Then me I begin run because they shoot gun. Anybody here in Papa na AK-47? AK-47 now you go man. All of us they here. Make una advise everybody and you want win. Go meet our people. Tell them your plans for them. Me, I don't talk my own plan. I don't talk my security plan for both ways. I don't talk them. I don't talk my education plan. I don't talk my health plan. I don't talk what I go do for the youths. I don't talk what I go do for employment. People will not get something to talk. Go buy gun. Give people children. Send them. Make them go shoot gun. Meanwhile, their own children, they for school for overseas. I go send on to go overseas. After all, before when other people be governor, Rivers State government no they send people overseas. Now more when me I will be governor, people no go overseas. Now go and they go to shoot. Now only go and they go to shoot.